What's up, beautiful people, and I welcome you all again to my day 12 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days, right? And of course, you all know that we are definitely going to be cashing out our money by January 1st, 2026, right? Yes. So let me know if you have saved today. Signify by clicking on the like button. Yes, go ahead and click on the like button. And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, I personally want you to do so by doing what? By clicking on that subscription button. Yes, just go ahead and smash on that subscription button. But please, after smashing that subscription button, do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching, right? Let me know the fintech platform you've used to save. Of course, I've saved mine using Cowrywise. Okay, yes. So let me know the fintech platform you are making use of in this challenge. Let me know in the comment section. Be it PiggyVest, be it OPay, be it PalmPay, be it MoneyPoint, any fintech platform of your choice that you are using in this challenge, do let me know in the comment section. Right now, that I saved 1,000 does not mean that you are also going to be doing that for the period of the 90 days. Save the amount you think can be able to take you throughout the whole challenge. If what can be able to take you throughout the challenge is 500 naira, then do well to save the 500 every single day for the period of the 90 days. If you think it's 300, 200 or 150 that can be able to take you throughout the whole challenge, then do well and save it. Now, for those that think or know or feel that the 1,000 is very small for them, just go ahead and save amount that you think you can be able to save. If it is 5,000, if it is 100,000, if it is 200, even if it is 1 million every single day, just go ahead and do it. Okay, yes, I want us to cultivate the culture of being able to save. If we can be able to save, then we can be able to invest, right? Yes. So for you to be able to save, that means you need to have money. So what do you need to do to have money? You need to get a job. So you need to have a job that can be able to pay you. So if you have money, then you can be able to save. And if you can be able to save, then you can definitely be able to invest, right? So I'm going to move over to the tips that is going to keep us consistent throughout the whole challenge, right? So the first tip is cutting down on your expenses. Yes. The second one is automating your savings. All right. Yes. So cutting down on your expenses will enable you to have money. Yes. Cutting down your expenses will be able to let you have money. And then if you don't know how you can be able to cut down your expenses, I've said it before, but I'm going to repeat it again. You need to get a jotter, right? Yes. Anything you spend, I need you to write it down. Just get a portable jotter that you can put in your pocket anywhere you are going. Okay, any expenses you do, for the sake of you being able to remember, that is the reason why I'm talking about a little, like a portable jotter. Okay, so any expenses you are going to make, do it to jot it down. Do that throughout the whole month. Okay, I would love if you started it from first of this month, but it's fine, just start it now. Okay, you are never too late. Write down any expenses that you made. At the end of the month, go through all the whole expenses. If you don't want to make use of jotter, then create an Excel. Yes, on using your laptop. So any expenses you make, just put it there. If it is airtime, if it is food, if it is transportation, just put all of them there. Okay, so at the end of the month, go through all the whole expenses. Know the one that the bulk of your money is going to. Okay, so that is how you're going to know how much data is consuming, how much you are spending on data, how much you are spending on airtime, how much you're spending on transport, how much you're spending on feeding. So that is where you can be able to cut down. Okay, to know where to cut down. So that is what is going to help you. Take me for that. Click the like button for this thing that I gave you now, this tip that I gave you now. Okay, so automate your saving. This is going to help even those that have a busy schedule and those that you do not have a busy schedule, but you wouldn't want to miss any single day of the challenge. So this automation is going to automatically debit the amount you want to be saving every day from a local bank account down to the fintech platform of your choice. Okay, yes. So the goal is not just to save, the goal is to get paid for saving. Now, how cool is that? You're going to get paid for just saving your money, right? So do it to do what? Join this challenge. I recommend you join this challenge. The reason why I'm saying that is for those that are coming across this challenge for the first time. This is the day 12, but I wouldn't want you to feel that you are too late to join this challenge. Do you know what? I want you to join today. Yes, just join today. It is going to show that you are so serious in changing your finance or doing something about your finance. Okay, if you have gotten to this point, do let me know by clicking that like button. Yes, go ahead and click the like button. And if you're yet up until now, join this beautiful family, please, I do want you to do so by clicking on that subscription button and turn on the bell notification. Now, I made a video showing you how your money can be able to make more money for you, okay, or how you can be able to make money, whether you're a student, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you have a 9-to-5 job. Okay, this method does not require you to bring two persons that will end up bringing extra two persons before you can be able to get paid. Okay, so if you're interested, I recommend you click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on this video, and I will definitely see you on the other side. Keep winning, guys, because I am rooting for you. Keep winning and always have it in mind that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video, we go again tomorrow, comrade. Bye.